It's not convenient today.
The mayor called the councillors on 12th at 11 o'clock. Let the mayor come and tell us. He told us.
No meeting notice has been issued.
Huh?
Meeting notice has not been issued. Meeting has not been convened for
So
today.
why did he tell us? Is he telling us lies or fooling the people? Please.
There could have been a.
We understand that we did not meet you on the 9th and you did not tell us that there is a meeting today. So you don't come now and tell us that there is no. Mayor told us, the mayor is to come here and tell us there is no meeting.
Let the mayor come.
Conversation is over.
Please, don't touch us. No, we are waiting here. We are not doing anything wrong. Please don't touch us. Please don't touch us. So in the meeting, tell the mayor to come and tell us.
I am not acting illegally.
Why we have a right to talk? We have a right to talk. Absolutely not right. We have a right to talk. This is not right.
भारत माता की जय भारत माता की जय भारत माता की
Very bad.
भारत माता की भारत माता की भारत माता की
Shame.
I'm saying भारत माता की
Shame.
Hey idiot भारत माता की भारत माता की जय भारत माता की जय भारत माता की जय भारत माता की
म्हणून कित्याक तुमकां भायर काडटाय कित्याक काडटा भायर तुमकां आतां हे
भारत माता
आपयल्ले न्हय मेयरान आमकां
तुम्ही
सांगता
तांकां विचारचे तुम्ही तांकां विचारचे
तुमकां पुलीस कितें सांगता कित्याक म्हाका काडटा म्हणटा तो
This is not right. We are not this.
कितें सांगलां तेणी पुलिसांनी काय डायरेक्ट उबारता तुमकां
हे पणजेकाराचो आवाज बंद करपाचो हो एक प्रयत्न कित्याक आतां पणजेकाराचो आवाज वाडपाक लागल्या कित्याक ह्या सरकाराची मस्ती वाडपाक लागल्या कळ्ळें तुमकां जो कॅसिनो परत परत ते एक कॅसिनो काडून नवो कॅसिनो हाडटा म्हूण सांगता पळय त्याच लायसन्साचेर ही फटींगपणां आमी तांची एक्सपोज केल्ली आसा आतां जो कॅसिनो येवपाचो आसा तो ज्या कॅसिनोक रिप्लेस करतलो ताच्या 6 पटी व्हडलो आसा द कॅपॅसिटी ऑफ द ओल्ड कॅसिनो वीच इज बींग रिप्लेस्ड इज 390 पीपल
Let the mayor come and tell us.
ट्रिब्यूट मारे खेळ पळय ना
This is not right, yeah. If we have the freedom to talk, don't we have the freedom to talk?
मेयरान आपयला मरे.
Disgusting.
There's a limit here. No freedom of speech. Bought us by our votes or what?
Okay, mayor said he's coming.
So get all of them who you all have taken out, get them back here. Get Mr. Valmiki and everybody else here.
1 minute.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.